Hello friends, it's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video I will show you and also tell you how you can very easily enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to the channel. Also write your comments and be sure to put likes under this video. So let us get started with you. And I'll tell you right away that automatic app updates is a very convenient feature, because that way you don't have to think about whether or not all your apps are up to date. They're always up to date, and they're always the latest version. And to activate this feature, please go to Phone Settings on your iPhone, and then scroll down to the bottom. Find the App Store, click on it, and you'll be able to see this auto-update feature like this. And you need to make sure that you have it activated. Because of that, all the apps that you have, they will automatically update. So this is a very simple way, friends, you'll be able to enable automatic app updates on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you and also that it was useful to you. Put your likes, write your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you later.